Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris, your automotive advisor in the sales department at Randy Kuehl Honda in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. I'm currently sitting inside of a 2022 Honda Civic Touring, playing around, see if I can find some cool additional stuff to share with you guys. You know what? I found something amazing. It's a hidden menu within the Honda Civic right now for the 11 Gen. I don't know if this works on the lower trim levels yet because I don't have one on the lot, but I'm going to show you guys exactly what I have found in the Touring model. Share down in the comments if it works for you guys, okay? Let's turn this around and show you now. Alright, so we got the vehicle on and we're at the home menu. Now I want to advise you guys, please be careful as you play around in this hidden menu. You know, just be responsible. I don't want you guys to mess anything up. Now with that being said, there's going to be 3 buttons that we have to select. It's going to be hard to do this one-handed. So you got home, pushing the volume knob, and this little back key here. Okay, let's see if I can do this on the first try. Push that in, hold it down, feels like an hour, but it's going to be a few seconds. It beeps, and then there it is. All right, so we got some cool stuff going on right here. Just give you guys a quick little visual sneak peek what's going on. Once again, just as you guys play around, be careful, use common sense. Now, there's additional second part of this menu. Of course there is, right? Back button, volume, and forward. See that? Back button, volume, push that in. Then the forward option. Let's see if I can do all this with one hand. And there it is. Now you guys know about the hidden menu. Let me know what you guys found out on those lower trim levels. Right now I'm sitting in the 2022 Honda Civic Touring. Talk to you guys soon.